We are in Moriarty, New Mexico. End of day one of our trip from California to Mississippi. But in the meantime, we've been advised by a truck driver friend of ours that he's heading toward Oklahoma right now, and he says don't go any further. You can see the wind's picking up, like he told us, and we could get some rain. Check it all out. I think we're going to be safe, but I'm a little sketchy on that because I don't have the tarps cover and the stuff in the back of the truck. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to hunker down. Again, borrow it from Steve Wallace. We're going to hunker down right there in the adventure mobile and get up around 3 or 4. I hope we're going to be all right. Oh, there was some lightning. Yeah, the wind has really picked up here. We've been here about 10-15 minutes when we get everything set up inside the truck. We're going to get some lightning here. It's been, oh, there's one way over there. I missed it up. Kind of like the MO for me. I'm really sorry about the wind. Yeah, I'm just sorry about the wind. It's going to be a nasty night here. I hope we're going to be okay.
It's quite a ways away still.
5-10 miles?
No, it's longer than 5 miles. Closer to 10 probably.
Well, that's a bummer. Guess I could have checked those. Something about driving to the East Coast. Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday, July 10th. Fine folks here at Pilot let us crash, not literally, let us take a little siesta in their parking lot. We used the restroom this morning, bought us a cup of coffee. The Adventure Mobile is all battened down from the rain last night. We barely survived. Now it's time to hit the road. Adventure intentionally. Please like and subscribe. Oh, gotta push the button, Jason. Oh, shoot. Man, I forgot to tell this lady about my rewards for gas. I gotta save that 10 cents. It's important, you know? Let's go see what's going on. Hey, I forgot to do my rewards.
Did I not ask you?
You know what? You may have, and I was probably doing like this. Such drama this morning. Oh my gosh.
Right. Pull that one out.
Cancel. See, you know all about those buttons. You can even do them upside down. That's pretty cool.
And you were on 3 and you wanted 50. Do you have your rewards card?
No, but I can give you my number.
You gotta have the barcode number. You either gotta have the actual barcode number or the barcode.
Oh, I got the barcode on my phone.
Okay.
Next time.
$50.
So now I gotta put the card in.
Yeah. Good morning.
Boom.
Or not.
Or not.
You need, I need to stop. You
No,
need
that
to-
last receipt's fine.
Okay. You're good then.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good day.
All right, now that we got that drama squared away, look, the beard has issues with remembering stuff he's supposed to do when he's supposed to do it. Doggone it. Let's get some gas. Here you go. Now that's more like it. Gotta select it though. There we go. Now we're getting gas. Alright, let's get this thing up here. We only did about 60 miles, if that, with this thing flapping around. It is absolute trash. Now look at this. Woo-hoo. Let's see if we can jam this thing in the trash. I don't think that counts as a broken law in New Mexico, but we did it anyway. Tell me what you think about that down in the comments. Goodbye, New Mexico. Hello, Texas. Central Time Zone. The free and sovereign state of Texas. What's up, YouTube? Last stop in Texas. We're hanging out at Love's Station, about 80 miles away from the Oklahoma border, and I've been tasked with breaking at least one law in each state we go through. So Texas, only thing you guys are failing in as far as being a free sovereign nation is you don't allow the responsible consumption. Turns out the beard don't care. We love you, Texas, but you gotta fix that. All right, YouTube, I gotta ask, do you guys top off your tank? I certainly will. Let's see if I can squeeze 9 more bucks of it. Oh, we made it to 43.05. All right, we're gonna squeeze 44 and we're gonna call it good. Okay, 44.01 it is. I can't believe it. We had a cloud telling us which way to go. And it's pointing in the wrong stinking direction. Come on, cloud, do better. Oh, it's gonna look cool, but they save lives, which is really cool.
He's one of the smart ones that's actually wearing a helmet. Is against the law. I personally didn't see what was so indecent about it, though. You may not look at it that way, but others definitely will.
Yeah, others are wrong.
There you go, Dora.
Dora and Fort Smith, 1 mile away.
Dora's your border.
Dora, the explorer, is the border. Go.
And there's the state trooper right there waiting.
Just waiting.
No, pictures of Maria.
That's the welcoming committee. Oh, this picture, and you can have it.
No, I'm just trying to get it for you.
Speed limit 75, truck 70. So we're here at the Loves in Little Rock, Arkansas. We see this sign. It's not very friendly, Loves. Some of us park in your parking lots at night, take a couple hour naps so we can get back on the road without killing anybody. And when we do that, we usually buy a tank of gas and a couple hot dogs and a cup of coffee and stuff. I mean, we can start shopping at Pilot and crashing over there. Parking lot camp. What are you doing with them damn keys?
Your door?
Sons of the guns. Oh, there they are. All you gotta do is say sons of the guns. The keys will magically appear and you can truck stop camp all you want. Well, I can't come and take it if you don't come and make it. There it goes. Look at that. Looks like single lane traffic 40 east before exit 1, 9 miles ahead.
They go into explicit detail there, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
I can count to 3.
That's how we do it, guys. We move over for folks who are coming on the freeway. Give them some room so they can do it safely. Oh, look at that. That's some brightness right there.
Arkansas is a beautiful state.
It's been a fun state. I mean,
Very clean.
quick
too.
trip. People are friendly. Except for Love's, where they don't let anybody hang out in their parking lot.
Casino.
Casino. Do you guys go to casinos or do you go to casinos? Memphis, Nashville. North first, but we're actually going east, northeast, east to the northeast of the east north, right?
It's a public hotel we stayed in. That
I
sun.
think this is the bridge, and here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, Scooby-Dooby. Here comes the sun, and I say, Scooby. Doobity, 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 doo.
299 in Lowe's.
Ooh, smells like somebody pooped a little.
Imagine there's a lot of stagnant water around here.
East Arkansas, wipe your behind.
Wow.
Okay, is this the bridge or a bridge? Speak now, forever hold your peace.
No, it's
A bridge, huh?
A bridge.
It's a bridge. Oh, we're coming up on the bridge now in just a second. Yep, still smells like somebody forgot to wash Arkansas's behind.
Ewy.
Downtown Memphis, next 2 exits. This is the bridge. Oh, shoot.
The field.
Son of a gun. Sons of the beaches. This is still not the bridge. This up here is most definitely the bridge.
Yes, it's the bridge and it's single lane.
Single lane on the bridge. Well, I was walking in Memphis. Mighty Mississippi. Tennessee Welcome Center. Tennessee State Line. And there's the big Tennessee thing. Tennessee welcomes you. This is Bass Pro, so and Ducks Unlimited. And it used to be a basketball arena.